This is a short demo of ProgrammExpress, the web-based portfolio program and project reporting solution specifically for Norton Rose Fulbright, and showing our latest version 15.1 with a new home screen. So I'm going to log on as an administrator. This will take us into our new home screen, where as an administrator I can see all projects sitting within all programs and portfolios. This is just demo data, and each client sets up their own portfolio and program and project structure. So this demonstrates that we now have corporate color palettes, corporate logos on the home screen. We can see all the projects, and we can see the health and status of the data of the project sitting within the portfolios, and we can see all the modules now shown as icons, better shown via the updates tabs as commentary, plan, resources, through to risks and logs. From this screen we can also run reports that we have set up ourselves in My Reports, or that have been set up and shared with us probably by the central projects team or the program office or the PMO. So with ProgrammExpress, we're all about simple data input and powerful output. In terms of simple data input, what we can now do is filter out projects and modules that the project manager or the user doesn't need to see. So if we log on very quickly, the user or a project manager, same home screen, same database, now a different view of read, what the user has read access to, what they have write access to, or both, read and write. So in this case, I'm just going to see and toggle to what I have write access to, and it shows those three projects, and it filters out the modules that we don't need and just shows, in this case, commentary, plan and risks. So for the project manager, very simply, they highlight the project, they click on the square, they update their narrative commentary depending on the commentary threads that have been configured. Via updates, we can now update the plan, shows the current plan, and we can make changes to it if we so wish, and same with risks. So there we can see that the current risks, and we can amend and change if required. If I go back to the home screen, for that project manager who's made their data updates, they may want to run a report that they have set up so they can see what the data looks like on the report. So this will be a one-pager PowerPoint compliant report, which shows the reg status, the milestones, the timeline, financial information, and the narrative commentary threads that we've configured for this report. Very simple screen for each of the project managers or the users to make their updates, and from a governance perspective, also telling them what they actually need to update using the software. So back on as the administrator, back into the home screen. Users have made their data updates. The administrator can now open up all the projects and start to see the health and data of the projects in terms of red, amber and green status across the modules. If we want to, we can start to filter out the greens, show red and amber, or filter out the ambers as well, and start to see where the problem areas are within the portfolio. If I click on example, project 1C, you'll see under costs, there's a red square. Click on that, drill down, and we can see the forecast 800,000 against a plan of 600,000, overspend of 200, and therefore has a red status. From an administrative perspective, what they more than likely want to do is start to run portfolio and program reports, and this is the power of ProgrammExpress simple data input, powerful, consolidated, aggregated data in terms of portfolio and program reports. So show an example, and this time we'll show the shared reports, and we'll show, click on an example of data summary, Excel style summary report consolidating and aggregating all the project information. In this case, we've configured these columns, project manager, start and end, just these 3 rags, and the narrative commentary threads that have been updated by the project manager. Or maybe we want to run Gantt chart reports. At portfolio level, we'll therefore show the plan within every single project and program, Gantt chart style, using the red, amber, green taskbars in terms of the health of those tasks. Or we could run another view, a milestone summary. This is more of a time report, which will show the milestones, the health in terms of red, amber, green, and the anticipated delivery date. Or one more example, resource usage summary. Again, Excel style report, where we can see all the resources, what projects they're working on, number of days in a period, in this case monthly, but it could be weekly, what that aggregates up to, and also showing potential over-allocation of resource within certain periods where we can take action. That's just a very short demonstration of our new version 15.1, showing how we can change the color palettes, and that's user configurable, and just basically showing the new home screen and how simple and easy it is to use both from a user perspective and an administrator perspective. Thank you very much for watching.